Ever heard of the power of now? The power of the present moment. Presence is the only key to freedom. You can never be free of problems when you're living in the future. Conscious relationships require a dedicated cultivation of daily and moment by moment awareness. It is a continuous and ever evolving journey, a journey of awakening. A conscious relationship is born when you make the decision to evolve by shifting your ways of thinking, doing, and being. It is a commitment to an everlasting journey, a commitment to transformation and awareness, which begins when you recognize the power of the present moment, the power of now. And today, I will be giving you 3 simple tips in which you can practice living in the present moment. The first thing is inner conscious attunement. Knowing something intellectually is very different from practicing it in your life. Release the notion that good relationships just come naturally. You would just know how to be and how to react, when in reality it's just a lack of awareness. You need to learn new skills, and it is a daily cultivation of inner conscious attunement. Use this present moment as a vast window of opportunity to shift your patterns and connect better to your relationships. The jewels of good relationships lies in its focus on the present moment. Let go of how things should be and instead focus all your attention on how things truly are right here, right now. When you realize that all you have is the present moment and you consciously attune to all your senses, what is your body language, what is your tone of voice, what are your hidden agendas behind your speech, and then you consciously shift from the outer verbal world of speech, of noise, of behaviors. You slow down, you go inwards, you take a deep breath, and then you realize that you have allowed space to enter into the present moment. And then you take stock of your relationships in a way that you have never done before. When you get the insides right, the outsides automatically become right. The second thing is every moment matters. When you're fully aware of the power of the present moment, you do not miss this particular moment, and that's where you do not miss the connection. For example, maybe you're frustrated with your partner, you're irritated with him, and you react negatively. And when you react negatively is where you have missed the present moment. Remember, the present moment is yours to own. You have the authority to choose how you can react to the present moment. The last thing is surrender. You can't decide the exact day that you're going to conceive. You can't decide the exact moment that your lover is going to propose to you. You can't decide how your children are going to behave with you at this particular moment. The only and only thing you have control over is how you experience each moment, each day. The way to surrender your need to control time is by embracing the present moment. In any moment, you can experience a miracle by choosing love. And when you choose love over fear, you release the notion of time. You release the need to control time and restore your hope and faith back. Just this one decision of choosing love can be a miracle in your life, and that miracle is now. Anytime you are caught up in this situation of time, when you are stuck up with time, you need to return back to the miracle of the moment. And when you do that, you will be living your life from moment to moment rather than milestone to milestone. Goals often imply that you need to achieve them in order to be happy. Remember, there's nothing wrong in having goals, visions, or dreams for yourself. Just that you should not be attached to it and are willing to surrender them. Celebrate what you already have in your life. Take time each day to devote your attention on what is already thriving in your life. Focusing on what you already have brings more of what you want. The day you are ready to let go of the need to be in charge of your life is the day when you truly surrender. And when you start surrendering, you start beginning to lean on a source much higher than yourself. So the 3 key points to practice living in the present moment are inner conscious attunement, every moment matters, and practicing true surrender. Do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite point and which you're ready to start practicing from today. Hope you've liked this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Namaste.